P-Page's AI is all about automating the necessary processes that the estimating systems do not. So what we've done is with AI technology, we've actually developed a process by analyzing an estimate from various workflows that generates an output that tells the repair planner or the reviewer in the shop exactly what was missed on the estimate that is necessary. And I emphasize the necessary part. So P-Page's AI doesn't create a shopping list. P-Page's AI adheres to the not included operations that are defined within each collision estimating database. And that's relevant and key. We're the first company to do that for the industry. The feedback by having shops come into our suite, as you are now, has been very, very receptive, and we couldn't be more pleased with shop organizations, multiple shop organizations that are enthused, and they see the efficiency gains, they see the accuracy, and they see the revenue bump. Now they're doing it all manually. So since there isn't an automated tool in the industry today other than the release of P-Page's AI, they have to look up under the front bumper. Tom, if you can scroll back up just so I can speak to it. So when you overhaul the front bumper, okay, the estimator needs to go to the procedure pages, and Tom, click on any one of these operations to get back to the procedure pages. So now he goes into the estimating system and he understands what's included and what the estimating system has taken into consideration, but he also knows what's not included. And these operations need to be considered with each bumper replacement if he's going to do it the right way. The problem the industry has, this is very time consuming to do it all manually. And as we speak to prospects and new customers, their staff doesn't take the time, they don't have the time to go through a lengthy estimate and analyze each section. So, going back to the estimate again, Tom, close that window. The estimator or repair planner needs to do that analysis for the front bumper. He needs to do that analysis for the radiator support and all the way on down. And it's easy to spend 30, 45 minutes, an hour if they really want to get exact with this. The resources in the shop just don't have that kind of time. They're pressured with all of the responsibilities they have. The other issue that the industry has faced is the knowledge worker base within the collision repair industry to write an accurate estimate. The reality of it is, between the insurance community and the collision repair community, the people that are responsible for writing the estimates and reviewing the estimates don't have the core knowledge to understand and apply the procedure pages correctly the way the database has architected them. It's just a matter of the lack of experience in collision repair. If you take someone who's never been involved in the collision repair process and try to train them, it takes months, if not years, to really understand. Now, I will go to the point, Abby, that it does influence the complexity of the new automobiles. So this has always been an issue. Okay, did the issue get more complex with the new technology? Yes, it has. So it's only taken longer to do it correctly. So if we go back to 1995, where ADAS didn't exist, where you didn't have to think about calibrations, okay? It was a much simpler technology and a much simpler time. But the issue with the non-included operations still existed in 1995. It's just gotten worse. So there's less experienced collision repair people, technicians that worked in the shop that are now working in the front office, for example. Those are the people that really understand the collision repair process and what it takes to do something. But for someone who's never worked in a collision shop, okay, now it's all a matter of being trained by an instructor or a book, okay, and reading and learning. And the courses that are available only can touch on a small part of what really needs to happen here.